the story of the tongue telling the story of poverty.
Listen to the story of the belly telling the story of hunger.
Listen to the stars.
Listen to the wind.
Listen to the moon.
Listen to the mountains.
Listen to us. Listen to the story of survival. If you knew us from a distance, brother, you would call us thieves, thugs, prostitutes. You would call us people of no fixed abode. If you knew us from a far off distance, if you knew us from a bird's eye view, you would not know, brother. But listen to the wind wielding lethal weapons. Listen to the stars, and you listen to the moon, and you listen to us. Listen to the angry voice bellowing from deep down below the belly of the earth, and you listen to us. After all, it shall rain, we shall harvest. Gogo, do you not hear this? Your ears are deaf now, Gogo. The silent rumbling voice. The stomach is not happy. The throat did not supply. The throat is not happy either. The mouth could not provide. The hand could not get its fair share from the international wealth. Gogo, do you not hear this? The sound of angry intestines maddens. It threatens the very peace of those intestines whose stomach would not share, whose hands would not work. Gogo, can you not hear this? The third world war of stomach is imminent, Gogo.